Are you a new landlord or real estate investor and struggling to handle maintenance requests efficiently? Or are you considering buying your first rental and want to plan ahead? If yes, you are not alone. As a property owner, it is natural to feel overwhelmed by the increasing number of maintenance requests from tenants. However, with proper planning and tools in place, you can streamline your maintenance process and improve tenant satisfaction. Here are the top 5 tips to help streamline the process. First, establish a clear system for submitting maintenance requests. Whether it's through an online portal, email, or phone call, make sure tenants know how to easily report issues. One of the most effective ways to handle maintenance requests is by using technology. With the rise of smart devices and apps, you can now use property management software to streamline the entire maintenance process. This allows tenants to submit requests digitally and for you to track and prioritize them accordingly. Next, prioritize requests based on urgency. Address critical issues like water leaks or electrical problems first to ensure the safety of your tenants. Create a schedule for routine maintenance tasks to prevent larger issues from arising. Regular inspections and upkeep can save time and money in the long run. In addition, consider setting up a maintenance schedule for routine tasks such as HVAC inspections and landscaping. By having a clear schedule in place, you can prevent small issues from turning into costly problems. Document all maintenance requests and repairs for future reference. This will help track recurring issues and identify areas for improvement. Another tip is to create a detailed maintenance log. This can help you keep track of all requests and their status, as well as any repairs or replacements that have been made. Not only does this provide a record for your own reference, but it also helps with accountability and transparency for both you and the tenant. Lastly, communicate with your tenants regularly. Keep them informed about the status of their maintenance requests and any upcoming maintenance that may affect their daily routine. This not only helps to foster a positive relationship with your tenants, but also shows that you care about their well-being and the condition of the property. By following these tips, you can handle maintenance requests efficiently and keep your tenants happy. Thanks for watching the video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.